Dear students, today we are going to know about the data communication terminologies. In order to know the communication terminology, we must know about some important terminologies in order to understand the communication terminology. For this purpose, we are going to know about some important points about this. Data communication terminology. The first one about this terminology is the channel. What is channel in data communication terminology? Channel sometimes refers to communication channel. It refers to the medium used to convey the message, to communicate any information from a sender or transmitter to the receiver. So, channel in communication terminology is a medium through which a sender sends its message or transmits its message to the receiver. So, it is a medium by which we are able to communicate with each other. The next one is baud. Baud is the transmit speed of a communication channel. It is the speed of a communication channel. How much speed the channel is having, it is defined, it gives us the baud. It is given by the baud in bits per second. So baud is the transmit speed of a channel in bits per second. For example, 4800 baud is equal to 4800 bits per second of data transfer. So we can say that 4800 baud is equal to the 4800 bits per second of data transfer. The next one is bandwidth. Bandwidth is related to the channel capacity for information transmission rate. It is related to the channel capacity for information transmission rate when communicating over the network. Baud width is measured in hertz. So band is measured in bits per second, but baud is measured in hertz. The next one is data rate. It is also related to the transmission terminology. What is data rate? Data rate is measured as bits per second when a group of kilobits is combined to form a transmission symbol which has a transmit duration t. Then data rate is equal to k by t bits per second. Or we can say this data rate, we can say it is the number of signal elements. Data rate is the number of signal elements transmitted on a channel per second. So, what is data rate? It is the number of signal elements transmitted on a channel per second. So, these were some important terminologies regarding the data communication or transmission. So, the rest will be discussed in the next